Hello viewers and welcome to my channel, Review Information. In this video I will show you how to change username on your Twitter account.
Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to get notified any updates.
Watch this full video to change your Twitter username via mobile app. To begin, open the Twitter app from your apps drawer. Tap on your profile icon from the top left corner. A menu list will appear. From the list, tap on Settings and Privacy. From Settings and Privacy, tap on Account. Your username will show up in the Login and Security section. Tap on the username. This is your current username. Now enter a new one. If the username is taken, you will be prompted to choose another one. After making changes, tap on Done. That's it. Your username has been updated successfully. So in this way, you can change username on your Twitter account. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed my video. Please subscribe my channel for more videos. Goodbye.